What's up? It's Adrienne Denise. I have been gardening for over 15 years. I'm absolutely obsessed with plants. I love vegetables and flowers. Certified in horticulture. I do topiary, I grow gourds and craft them. And I am here to tell the world how cool gardening is. While in the UK, I met a wonderful couple from Salisbury who invited me back to their house to see their garden. I'm so grateful I took that chance with perfect strangers. They did all the landscaping themselves, and the stones that they used was rubble from a demolished building. It was amazing. They had fruit trees, herbs, vegetables, beautiful flowers. It was all so neat and pristine. And they utilized every bit of space that they had in the best way.
No, this is called broad bean. I don't know if you have them in the States.
No, I've never seen.
Particularly English vegetable, and it's absolutely delicious.
I've seen pictures of this in my book, but I've never.
You can eat them all.
Oh, and it feels like a pillow on the inside.
It does, it's lovely.
Oh,
wow.
Well, you can pick them young.
What I learned most from this trip was Europeans take their gardens seriously, and that gardening is definitely more universal than music. Can you dig it? A lot of times people find it difficult to envision a garden like this in a grass-filled plain yard. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to start your own garden. And if you don't have access to a tiller, Google it. You can rent one from your local hardware store. Let's get started. All done. Now we're gonna let that breathe a couple of days, add your soil and compost, and we are ready to plant seeds. I'll check in with you later on to see how your garden's growing. Can you dig it? They're so soft, it feels so good. You should rub a sunflower today. Gardening to me is like one of the most gratifying things that you can do in life. Everything you put in, you're gonna get out. And even if you don't get vegetables, you get a lesson on what to or what not to do the next time. It's like free food in your yard, and that is the coolest thing ever. Can you dig it? Woo woo! I knew that you could. Okay, so many people have reasons why they don't garden. Some say, they tried it, it didn't work, they don't have a green thumb, they don't have enough space. The list goes on and on, but for the next 15 minutes or so, I'm going to tell you why you should garden and the easiest way to do it. Thanks to Architectural Digest, I discovered world-renowned topiary artist Pearl Fryar. After visiting his beautiful garden and meeting him, obsession soon followed. I attended one of his lectures and visited him often. Pictures really can't do this place justice. I am in Bishopville, South Carolina. Mr. Pearl Fryar. It's been some years since I've been here. It's so beautiful. You should experience this in life. I was honored to train with Mr. Pearl, and I will forever cherish those moments. He was a huge inspiration to my creativity. I get so excited when I arrive to Bishopville because you see Mr. Pearl's work all downtown, and it's so awesome. Okay, so ladybugs are dormant because they were in the refrigerator. There's some waking up already. 20 seconds so far. Let's see how long it takes them to come alive. There's some more moving around. They're like, hell yeah, it's summertime. This is the third part of the 3-climate greenhouse. I once read that in ancient Africa, gourd gathering was a prestigious job only given to women. I'd like to think I must have been one in a former life, in addition to a sunflower. But anywho, I'm a gourd geek. and I want to share their magic with you. Can you dig it?
Gourds grow in all types of shapes and sizes, and it's best to grow them on a trellis. You can manipulate their shapes too. When green, they can be extremely heavy and need support. When curing, they harden and hollow out. So you put them in a bag full of soapy water, let them sit in the sun, and that's the cleaning process, or part one of it at least. At Gourd, after thorough and safe cleaning, the magic kicks up a notch. There is so much you can do with gourds, and I certainly have my fun with them.
It's Adrienne Denise, the gardenista. Can you dig it?